The 2013 Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid is equipped with the standard 3.3-liter V6 270 horsepower hybrid engine that achieves 27 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Offering a spacious interior, smooth ride, and refined hybrid powertrain, the Highlander is an excellent family vehicle that combines exceptional fuel economy and a spacious, well-appointed interior, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Your new ride is just a phone call away.